There are many plants in our landscape that were introduced over the past few centuries. Some of those plants have made themselves too comfortable here to the point that they're aggressive. And one of them is the porcelain berry. This plant is a beautiful vining plant. It's a woody plant. The leaves kind of look like a grapevine, but it has these lovely blue berries which people have fallen in love with, and so they want to grow them in their gardens. Unfortunately, the birds eat the berries and disseminate them everywhere. Porcelain berry just shrouds and completely covers the trees, creating too much shade and killing everything underneath. So the first step of removing this vine is, of course, remove the berries, because as you're working with it, you don't want the berries to fall to the ground. Like other woody vines, you've got two choices to eradicate it. You can either dig it up, or you can cut it, and then you can spray it with glyphosate. Another woody vine that is also on the noxious weed list is Oriental bittersweet. And that has a yellow capsule with a red berry on the inside. It doesn't shroud and cover. What it does, it twines around the tree trunks and basically chokes them out. It's aggressive as well and needs to be eradicated either by digging up or by cutting and spraying. Another plant with beautiful blueberries that is on the noxious weed list as well is Mila minute vine. And these berries are one distinguishing characteristic, as well as these lovely triangular leaves, as well as the thorns along it. This plant here can grow to 30 feet tall and can actually completely cover a whole crop or even any plant that you might find desirable. It's very aggressive. It's called Mila minute for a reason. The one good attribute of it, though, is it has a very shallow root system, making it very easy to pull out of the ground for control. To learn more about noxious weeds, I encourage you to visit the website of the Virginia Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services and be able to peruse the list so you know what to avoid.